what's up, DCS crew? It's Carlos back at it again today with an exceptional review for exceptional people such as yourself. So, we are back here with my Glock 19 again. Surprise, surprise. But this time, this is not about the Glock 19. Duh. I usually do Glock accessory reviews in this particular case. And this particular review has to do with the magazines and the magazine base plates, excuse me. In particular, these are mag plates from Ghost Inc. out of Miami, Florida. Now, Miami's true to my heart. They're very close to my heart because I am a Miami boy, born and raised. But these guys actually don't work too far from where I lived when I was in Miami. I'm no longer living there, but last time I was there, I passed by and I realized, oh my gosh, these people are like 5 minutes from where I used to live. So I went ahead and I picked up some of their base plates. I was looking for something to replace the standard base plate that you see on the Glock magazine. And first off, I needed a tool to do that, and I actually picked up this Glock magazine tool from a GeePlate. Go ahead and check out my video on that. These things are freaking awesome. They are really, really good quality. For being polymer, they're surprisingly rigid and tough. I mean, for $14.95, you cannot go wrong with this. And I'm gonna go ahead and show off the bottom of the part so you can go ahead and see where you can go ahead and pick it up. There you go, because this is not about that. It's actually about these base plates. So, some of the info that came with it is right here. And basically it's a Ghost MOAB, mother of all base plates. Now there's a couple of things that I really like about this, aside from the fact that I really like how their advertising is. You know, if you look really closely, it's like rounded ergo design, positive mag seating, extraction, traction points, debris extraction ports, exclamation parts everywhere. I thought that was hilarious, exclamation points. So in any case, this is made in the USA and it fits double stack magazines for Glock in 9mm 40, 357 SIG and 45 gap. So this is good essentially for if I'm not mistaken, gens 2 through 5. It says here, it's not compatible with early Gen 1 partial metal line magazines or with the Glock 42 or 43. That also happens to be not compatible with the 43X and the 48 that have been recently released. So just an FYI, the reason being is that those are single stack. This is more for double stack plates. So in any case, yeah, Ghost Inc. out of Miami, Florida. Here's their information if you'd like to go ahead and check them out or give them a call. And that's the barcode with the information on this particular part if you choose to go ahead and pick it up. So this comes with, a lifetime warranty, and it's made in the USA. So go ahead and check them out when you get a chance. In any case, this is what they look like, and there are a lot of things that I like about this plate. Number one, this is actually rounded off on the sides instead of being squared off like what you see here on the shelves of the standard Glock plate. They are, they're about the same thickness, but they kind of have this rounding at the bottom as opposed to being flat compared to the standard Glock magazine plate. What I also like, and this is something that I do to all my mags, is they have little dimples that are down here that have basically been set up so you can mark your magazines. I like that a lot because I like to mark my mags. In fact, I haven't done that to these, but here is actually one that I have that's been marked so that I know that it's actually for my Glock 19. I really have to mark the bottom for mag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in any case, I haven't done that yet and I will do that soon. I guess I'm kind of glad that I didn't do that to those plates because I'm gonna do it on these. So these are set up for you to be able to do that. And then aside from that, because they're rounded up and they're a little bit, I guess, wider than the standard base plate, the good thing about that is the rounding that they've put on here has some ridges to it. It has some jimping to it, as you can see here. And that is to facilitate an easier release of the magazine. And aside from that, you'll notice it has two little holes that or two little slots that have been drilled and ported into the front of the magazine base plate. And the reason why they do that is just in case, the tactical operators and the high-speed low drag people want to go ahead and stick some lanyard cord in there, they can actually do that and then press their magazine release and just pull it out using the the paracord, and do that way. So I thought that was kind of a pretty unique setup that they have here. So let me go ahead and take out the bullets from this guy. 7, 8, 9, 10. And yeah, I'm in a freedom state, so I get more than 10 bullets. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, set these to the side. And I now have an empty mag. So, and then there's this guy, just has one. Boop. All right, so put that to the side. And okay, let's go ahead and get started. Now, why did I take this out? Because I don't have a vise, I don't have pliers, and this is something that I know that works. You guys got to see my other video on this. It's really worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this go ahead and works. So you take this, you use the little dimple that's on here, push it in, and that's it. So you go ahead and you remove it. There goes one base plate. Take your other base plate. Make sure you keep this pressed down because you don't want that spring and that floor plate flying that's inside here. And you slot it through. Now, technically this is supposed to be easier than it looks, but yeah, it doesn't seem to want to be working with me. So let's see what we got to do. All right. Oh, that's what it was. Okay. All right. And there we have it, folks. One down, one to go. So that's one setup. And while we have this one set up, let me go ahead and just compare it to the other one so you can see what the difference is in ergonomics. Let me see here. Let me show it to you that way so you can see it from both sides. Okay. And as you can see, it's definitely wider at the bottom than the other, than just the standard plate. But I like that because then, you know, I can go ahead and you know, use this to go ahead and pull it out just in case there is a functionality issue and there's a problem with the release of the mag. And yeah, worked well. Works good to me. All right, so, all right, that's one down. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. All right, here we go. And, all right. By the way, I did not loosen these up before the video. In fact, just to be able to show you that, let me go ahead and put this back. All right, it is locked in. The ledge is still on there. Man, where's my Olight? I can show that to you. The ledge is still on there. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it off again just so you can see what I mean. Yeah, that GeePlate works that well, so check it out. In any case, shameless promotion of the GeePlate Glock magazine tool. And wow, I am fumbling through this. I mean, the first one was so much easier because I had everything set up as it was supposed to. So, all right, slotted this in, pull this down. Gonna take a moment to get over that little ledge here. All right, and boom, there it is. So I'm not gonna be using, you know, paracord. I'm not gonna have to pull it through there. As you can see, it actually has it on both sides. The front that shows the rounds, well, technically the back that shows the rounds has the paracord pull through, and the front has the paracord pull through. You have the ridges on the sides. It clicks into place onto the ledges that are on both sides of the magazine, so it's not going to drop out. And nice sturdy construction. I'm gonna go ahead and mark these mags now. And yeah, so there you go. Ladies and gents, this is the Ghost Inc. MOAB, mother of all base plates. They've been around for a while, but the truth is, I'm actually just getting around to getting them. I wanted to go ahead and upgrade some of my magazines from the stock base plates to something a bit more tactile, something that I could use a bit more when I carry. And I like the fact that they have these dimples here. you know, because I mean, like I said, I think it's a really good point to mark your magazines, and they have this set up so you can already do that. There are other plates that are out there that I'm sure you can check out that have similar features, but this is something that's both, you know, it's cost effective and it does the job. I mean, these guys do a lot of really good work, and if you think this is good, you got to check out their connector plates. And I actually have that coming up in the future. I'm going to go ahead and install one of their Ghost connector plates into the Glock 19 to see how much it affects the trigger pull and the trigger function. So, you know, they've had some things come up in the past where some people have been getting double fires from using the connectors. So I'd like to go ahead and put that to the test. That being said, these are awesome. You can go ahead and check out their information one more time. I'm going to show you the front of the advertisement that comes with the Ghost MOABs. You can go ahead and check out any installation instructions at ghostinc.com, but the truth is, you kind of just saw it, so no need to really do that. But if for whatever reason you choose to go ahead and contact them, feel free to reach them here, 305-252-7422 at ghostinc.com, or email at info@ghostinc.com, and go ahead and reach out to Arthur, who is the president of Ghost Inc. He actually runs the Facebook page too, and if you ever reach out to them via message, he's usually the one that gets back to you. Really nice guy, and I'm hoping to go ahead and take a tour of their factory soon whenever I go back to Miami. It may not be anytime soon, but when it does, you'll be sure that I'm going to go ahead and record some footage so you can go ahead and check them out firsthand and check out the quality that goes into their parts. So, well, as you can see here, this video has reached its end. Go ahead and click subscribe so you can go ahead and check out some of my updates as they are uploaded. YouTube will send you a notification to let you know they are ready to view. And well, with that said, thanks for watching, guys. And remember, if you EDC, think of DCS. DailyCarrySolutions.com, at DailyCarrySolutions on Instagram, and of course, Facebook.com/DailyCarrySolutions. Go ahead and check me out on any of those venues, or feel free to comment below. In any case, you guys have a good rest of the day. I'll see you next time.